Quick and easy way how to sew collar together with collar stand. If you use pretty thin fabric, use the interfacing for all pieces of the details. Otherwise, it's enough just one piece of the detail. Place the collar details on each other, good size inside, and join together at 3 sides. Trim the corners. It helps to make nice and pointy when you turn it out. And iron the collar. Probably you lost the notches after adding the interfacing, so make it once again. Pin the details of collar stand to the collar. The notches help you to add it at the right place. Sew along and make 0.5 cm seam allowance. Make some trims on seam allowance and turn it out. Iron the full collar detail. For the next step, there are 2 ways. First one a bit easier. Place even all layers and join them with the serger and fix the ends. Second one, fold another edge of the collar stand 1 cm and make the top stitch. The fold should cover the seam, but at another side the pin should be at the side of the collar stand. It cannot catch the collar stand. The seam goes very next to the collar stand and we sew from the good side. Iron the collar.